What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm super excited for this one because I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make your first $10,000 using Clickbank. And this is the method that I used when I started making money on Clickbank, and then I scaled it up from there. So it's perfect for beginners. Now, these are some results on the screen of what I've made basically in the last week and a bit. So I do know how to make some money on Clickbank, and I want to take you through how you can get started as a beginner and work your way up to your first $10,000. And it is possible to do this because I've done it and I do know people that have done it as well. Now, I released a video not so long ago about how I made $45,000 online in 3 days with Clickbank, and I got bombarded with questions. And one of the most common questions was, how can I make my first $1,000? How can I make my first $10,000, $20,000? So this was the most common question. How can I reach $10,000 on Clickbank or with affiliate marketing in general? So I want to take you through how you can do it step by step and answer this question for anybody that asked me that in the last video. Now, it is important to note, guys, that these results don't just come overnight. This is from quite a lot of work over time, but I'm going to show you how to get started, and then eventually you can work your way up the ladder in affiliate marketing to make more money as you go on, which is exactly what I've done over the past years. Now, if you're here for the competition, guys, once again, I'm going to put the winners up on the screen. And if you want to get access to one of my courses, or if you'd like to win some cash, all you've got to do is find the emoji in this video and then comment below emoji plus cash or emoji plus course. And you can do this on desktop or mobile. You guys know the drill. Do that below, then smash that like button when you find the emoji. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. And make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video because I actually have a couple of ways that you can make money with this, okay? So I'll show you how to get started, and then I'll show you how to actually scale this so you can make more money. Now, important, before we get into this, we're gonna get into this in a second, this is a long-term method. So I'm not showing you a method where you can make a bunch of money and then it stops. This is building up long-term Clickbank income that can last for a long time. Okay, you wanna build a sustainable online business that you can grow and scale. So this is a long-term method. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a very simple platform where you find products that you can send traffic to and you can promote these products and you get a commission. So here's $103. If you promote this particular product and you made a sale, you would make that money and you would get paid in cash or into your bank account for promoting that product and making a sale. That's affiliate marketing, and that's how Clickbank works. So your first step is to sign up to Clickbank at clickbank.com. It's very simple to do. You go there and then you just click on the sign up tab at the top, and you can get your account if you don't already have one. Once you're in here, guys, we're actually going to I'm going to show you a specific product for this method, but you can use lots of different products. It really just depends on the product. But if you actually go down here in categories, you can see that you can choose specific categories. So if we went to e-business and e-marketing, there's all of these products that you could promote for a commission, and you just click promote and you would get an affiliate link. So you go generate hot links and you can send people to that affiliate link. But how do you actually get traffic to this? So in this video, I've used a product as an example because it's a perfect example for this video and for this training. So I'm going to go up to here and I'm going to put in woodworking and I'm going to click search. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the Ted's Woodworking highest converting woodworking site internet offer, and you get $54 per sale. Now I'm actually going to open what we call the affiliate page because this is where we have a lot of information that we need. Okay. So basically on this page, they're going to give you all the information so you can earn $125 per sale. They have 11% commissions, which is really, really good. But more importantly, if we scroll down, you want to go to here. I've already signed up. Take me to the resource page, or sign up if you haven't already. On this page, we have lots of information that we can use. Now we're actually going to use this in a second, and I'm going to actually take you through what we're going to use from here. But more importantly, you want to actually open up this product for a second because there's something very special about this product that a lot of products don't have that we can use. So these guys have, let me just get rid of that. If we go down here, this is a product based on woodworking plans, but they have something that we can utilize to make money from. They have lots of lots of plans that we can pretty much go and sell. So for example, plans on gazebos, chicken houses, clock plans, coffee tables, cold frame plans, compost bin, computer desk, containers. There's lots of options that we can target here. And what do I mean by target? Well, let's just take dog houses, for example. So they have, they have dog houses down here. What can we actually do? What we want to do is we want to find what we call a keyword tool. So I actually use Google's free keyword tool. This is called the Keyword Planner. You can find it in Google Ads if you have a Google Ads account, or you can actually use this tool here, which is called Ubersuggest, and it's completely free. But for this example, I'm going to go and put this keyword into the thing, so dog houses. What I'll actually do is I'll put in dog house plans, because that's what the product is about, and I'm going to go get results. What this does is it basically takes information from the internet and it tells us how much searches it gets, but more importantly, it tells us all of these different keywords that we can target. Now, what do I actually mean? Now, keep in mind that this product has a lot of different plans. There's literally an infinite amount of keywords that we can target. What do I mean by target keywords? If we go and put doghouse plans into Google, there's these websites that actually show up. So for example, this one here, and I actually found a few. These websites, 36 free DIY doghouse plans and ideas, what they do is they basically go and take images off the internet and videos and things like that, and they write about them. They just literally do a list. So they take this video and they do a tiny snippet of information. Really, really simple. So what you do is you go and start a simple website. You can start one for $3 per month and you get a free website name. But what I want you to focus on and understand is the infinite amount of keywords that we can target. We can build a big affiliate marketing website. So what's more important here is to focus, there's all of these kind of like ideas. So let's say, hey, we want to go and do an article based on doghouse plans. I wouldn't recommend you go and do one on doghouse plans or DIY doghouse, because it's going to be a little bit harder to get traffic because there's other websites ranking. But you can actually see that there's lots of other different ideas that you could potentially target. So free doghouse plans with a porch, doghouse blueprints, large doghouse plans, DIY dog kennel plans, DIY dog kennel plans as well. So let's take DIY dog kennel plans for example. Okay, let's say you're going to go and create an article based on this. Now, let me just go back to this keyword tool for a second, guys. The reason we use these tools because it gives us information, okay, like how much searches it gets. And this tool will tell you how hard it is to rank for that keyword. But what we can actually do is, I'm going to say, hey, we're going to go and do an article for DIY dog kennel plans. Simple. What I'm going to do then is I'm actually going to write an article based on that. So this will be my main keyword, DIY dog kennel plans. I would do 13 best DIY dog kennel plans for beginners. This is a search engine optimized title. Now the reason I do it like this is simple, because when I put keywords in like best and for beginners in 2020, Google's really smart and it's going to go out and show you an article for DIY dog kennel plans 2020. Best DIY dog kennel plans, so best, and then DIY dog kennel plans for beginners. Beginner DIY kennel plans. What happens is over time, Google ranks you for hundreds and even thousands of keywords, and you can get a little trickle of traffic from all of these keywords, right? Because that's what Google does. Google's really, really smart. And to prove that this actually works, right? Here's an article of one. This is just one article of mine from one of my websites. I blocked out my keywords, so I don't want people to see them. But this one article gets hundreds of clicks from all of these different keywords that I've optimized my articles and my title for. It gets hundreds and hundreds of clicks every single month. But what most people focus on is they think, oh, I'm just going to try and rank for DIY dog kennel plans. Google will rank you for hundreds of different variations if they like your content. So what we're doing is we're going out and we're creating these simple pages. We don't, like these guys literally go and take information from the internet and they post it on these websites, and Google goes and ranks them for these specific search terms. Now, this is the thing. You can actually make more money doing this. So what you would do is you would simply go back to here, you would go promote, and you would get your affiliate link. So this will be my affiliate link. and you would go and put it in your blog with like buttons and stuff like that, right? Or your website. Now, here's another example here where they actually do the same thing. And you can put ads on your blog and stuff like that. This is a stepping stone to starting with Clickbank. Usually 99% of people starting with Clickbank will start with a blog in a specific niche. Now, the reason I chose this is because they have all of these keywords that you could specifically target, all of these ideas. But how can you actually make more money from this, and how can you scale it to the moon? So basically what happens is someone goes and searches for doghouse plans or DIY dog kennels or best DIY dog kennel plans or best DIY chicken coop plans or something, right? And your website might show up. They go to your website and you could potentially make money from your affiliate link. Cool. But you could actually scale it to the next level and you could make more money by doing this. You could actually put on your website what we call a Google pixel or a Facebook pixel. And what happens is that pixel will track when someone goes to your website, and they'll go on what we call a custom tracking list. Okay? Very simple custom tracking list. Now, once you have this custom tracking list built up, people are in it, you can actually go and start to run advertising to this list. And they're warm traffic. They've already seen your website. They've already seen your article. They're already aware. They're already looking for dog plans or whatever, doghouse plans or chicken coop plans or whatever, right? So you build up this list of organic traffic that comes to your site and you put them in this list. The Google Pixel tracks them and you put them in this list and you can start running ads. So if I go to my Google account right here, and I go to tools and settings and I go to conversions, I can set up a conversion or something like that. But if I just click on this conversion here and I get this code, so I go down to here, I go to install the code, I've already got one. I just copy this code here onto my website, okay? And it's going to, this is the global code that I can use on any page, and it's going to track whenever someone clicks on that page. And I can go to tools and settings and I can go to audience manager and I can create a custom audience of someone that clicked on that page. So down here we've got my blog. People that have gone to my blog in the last 500 days, they're in there, 54,000 people. So now I can run ads to these specific people. But how does this even work with the TED Woodworking one? If you actually go back to the affiliate page, they can give you banners that you can use. So you can go and run ads with these banners if you like. You can go and run ads with these ones down here. You can go to Google and you can actually go to back to here and you can run specific ads. So if I go to here, I go to create new campaign. I'll show you all the different types of ads that you can run, but what I'll actually do is below this video, I'll leave a video on how you can run your own Google campaigns, okay? It's completely free. So I'm going to go to create a campaign without a goal, but this is what I can actually do. I can run a display campaign, which means that I can actually take these banners, I can right click and save this image, and I can go and run a banner display campaign. So this shows up on websites that people go to after they've gone to my site or they're in my list, right? So basically, let me show you. So what I can do is I can go and get these people here and I can show them a banner on Google Ads on websites that they go to after seeing mine. So we know that they were interested in dog houses. So when you show them a big ad that says woodworking plans and they've already been to your website, the chances of them coming back and potentially buying that product are pretty high. Okay, and this is how you scale up. Or the next option, and this is why I like the TED Woodworking one, so we'll go back to here. The next option is you can run video ads. Now, the best thing about the TED Woodworking one is you can actually go down and you can get videos. So right click on this video and you can download this video by clicking here and going to download. And you can actually go and run video campaigns retargeting people on YouTube to go and, so I'm going to go video and I'm going to go to continue. And I'll show you what I can do real quick, but there's a video below, a full tutorial. I can actually go down and I can go to audiences and I can pick that custom list. So let's just say this one here. I can pick that custom list, so this list here, and I can run ads to that list showing that video. So that's how powerful this is. You're running ads to people that have already seen your website that you're going to create based around a specific niche or a specific product. What I would do is I would base your website not around the specific product. So don't base it around Ted's woodworking, okay? Because that's the thing, you're leaving yourself really too narrow. You want to go broad. So what I would do is I would choose a specific thing. So like a website on coffee tables or a website on beehive plans, but make it so you can actually branch out into other plans as well. Then start content based on one specific thing and then branch out into other content. And Google's going to start to love your content. Then once Google starts to love your content, if you've done the right keyword research, then you're going to build that custom audience. Then you can start running ads to that custom audience and you'll start making money slowly with Clickbank, but then you can scale it up with those ads. So that is probably the best way I would recommend to make your first $10,000 on Clickbank. If you want to know some more tutorials on how to make money on Clickbank, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how you can make money online with Clickbank. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next video on the right.